Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So let's have a look at the gold stocks index. We're going to look at the GDX and the GDXJ. And pretty much right now, as I speak, it's pretty much nothing in control, right? Really just, as you can see, right, pretty much sideways. There's no really clear direction where we are going right now. We've got this low, we have this sort of false breakout through here. We ran back up to towards the top up here, as you can see, and then we came back down, found this low, and now we're rallying back up. So what could be happening on the short term anyway on the GDX, and what could we look out for? Well, the first thing that I do see is that if I draw a trend line from there to there, right, from there to there, I'm noticing what? I'm noticing from there pretty much through to there. Right, from there to there. So I'm noticing something going on like that through there. Which means, right, what I've done there is see how the market couldn't close below on these two little bars here. So that's the reason why I drew it there. Couldn't close below, but closed right on there. Notice how we're having a lot of problems where we are right now. So that's the first thing I'm looking at there. But on the main point here, we've came up, we created a lower high, then we created a higher low, ran up, came a double bottom, and then we rallied up. If we start to get a bit of a sell-off through here, this could be some sort of a short-term anyway, a short-term small head and shoulder formation. And if we roll over pretty quickly here and we start to break this, say, $22 level, then it looks like the next major support is down here at basically 20, yeah, around there. And what do we have here? It's what we call pretty much white space, right? Once it starts, there's a little bit of support there around 2050, but if we start to break below that 22 level there, it does look like it's probably going to start to do that there, right? So really interesting. Do we start to create a little lower high through here and we start to see some strong sellers come into play? Or what? Again, we're going to follow through here. I'm just giving you, actually you can see it pretty much closed that gap there. See that gap there? It pretty much closed that gap there, didn't it? But I'm just giving you what could be happening in the markets. No one knows, right? Because the market's pretty much sideways right now. So I'm just giving you observations. If certain things happen, if we start to go down from here and we start to break 22, then we have a high probability chance of getting back down to this support level here. And the GDXJ, same for the GDXJ, right? But the GDXJ is actually looking really weaker than the GDX, right? Because we're getting a drop down. We created this one here was a lower low to this here, rallied up, a lower high, rallied down, double bottom, rallied up. So if we get some sort of lower high through here once again, and we start to sell down, then actually there's actually a little bit of support there, isn't there, around that level, but my goodness, wow. So the next major support level is actually on the, which it actually looks really is down there around 22. That's the next major support level there. Let me have a look at the weekly chart, see if I can notice anything else. No, that's what's happening through there. So we could be getting again, if we do break this sort of 30 level, we've got a little bit of support level there. But if that doesn't hold, then next level is 22, which is interesting, right? So it's that next level there. We have this major level through here, really, right? So that's the major level through there. We got a little bit of support through there. Interesting, guys, interesting. So if we continue to sell off through here, and we start to break this 30, 50 level, even breaking below $30, then we could start to see a move down now towards this 27, maybe even $26 level through here. So really interesting, guys. If we start to roll over through here and we start to sell off, then we're likely to see a nice move in that direction there. And the reason why is because when the market goes sideways like it has now, where there's no one really in control, it's not going up, it's not going down, and there's no one really in control. It's building. This is just now indecision, also building a lot of energy through here. So when it does start to break, we're likely to make a nice move in that direction there. So let me know what you think about the gold stocks and the GDX, the GDXJ. What do you think is going to happen on the short term? And let me know what you think in the chat box below. Before you go, I am giving away a free trial to the Master Trader Lab with all the different trading courses you can see on the screen right now. So go to mastertraderlab.com right now. I'm running a special over the next few days. So go to mastertraderlab.com to get a free trial to all the different trading courses you can see on the screen right now. So go to mastertraderlab.com.